What aspects of the energy reform debate might impact North Carolina the most?
Well, I think the greatest impact could come from cap and trade. A program set to try to bring the emissions from specifically power plants, but the carbon footprint down. And for a typical North Carolina family, they might see a surcharge of between $2,400 and $3,000 a year because 50% of the electricity generated in North Carolina comes from coal. And clearly this is a tax designed to drive coal as a smaller contributor of the generation of electricity in the future. That's well and good if you've got a replacement, but today we don't have a satisfactory short-term replacement for that.
How difficult is it to develop policies that achieve the goals of an overall energy policy without hindering manufacturing too much? How difficult is it to strike a balance?
Well, I think that manufacturing can adapt to whatever the rules are as long as we give them a timeline that provides them the avenue to get there. But more importantly, on the other end, it has to be that we're achieving a point where you can profitably manufacture and be competitive in a global marketplace. And that's a little bit tricky, but the truth is that if government can design the rules and commit not to change them for an extended period of time, then manufacturing in the United States can adjust to it based upon where they are and, more importantly, what they do.
And consequently, how quickly might we see a significant energy policy come into place?
Well, certainly the President has the goal of having one by the end of September. Where the debate is today, I think that would be limited to cap and trade and the punitive approach. I don't believe that really puts us on a foot for the future. I think that the answer is we've got to do D, all the above. It means conservation and efficiencies. It means the right incentives to commit the investments for nuclear generation in the future. It means that we've got to make sure that U.S. manufacturers understand that if they're willing to invest, we're willing to make the future predictable and profitable for them. But I think it also means that the American people are going to play a large role in the future of energy consumption in this country and the need to bring new levels of conservation.